Sage Sigdell, Anchor, The Lewis Cottage.
Phil Reed, reporter, Panhandle Cottage.
Nick Harmon, reporter, Webster Cottage.
Luke Fraley, reporter, Randolph Cottage.
Ethan Lovejoy, Anchor, Marion Cottage.
Clark Gillespie, reporter, Randolph Cottage.
Dirk Shoemaker, reporter, Marion Cottage.
Ashton Klein, editor, Canal Cottage.
Jace Taylor, Webster Cottage.
I'm Sage Sigdell.
And I'm Ethan Lovejoy, and this is Full Send News.
Welcome to our first ever broadcast in this week's history. Let's go ahead and send it off to our segments.
Today is our general election. Each party has had their own respective caucuses over the past 2 days.
From the Nationalist Party, Hunter Gracie has been speaking up against a key Federalist idea regards to the environment.
So in regards to our opponents, first of all, in regards to environmental and energy going forward, talking to Federalists, I believe that you all are campaigning on solar, wind, and hydro. Our party primarily is campaigning on nuclear, however we do also see hydro as beneficial as well.
On the other hand, Wyatt DeBoard, chairman of the Federalist Party, decided to speak on the unity he sees within his own party.
I don't intend to speak ill of the Nationalists whatsoever, but what I will say and what I'm seeing so far with the Federalists, we're very well united and we're very well in understanding of what our common cause is. Whenever we wanted to legalize or illegalize substances or debate issues, the majority of the time it was a unanimous yea or nay, which I was astounded by, and I was very proud to lead that.
Remember, voting ends at 10:45, so make sure you have time to vote.
As many of you citizens have seen, severe weather has impacted life around camp already this week.
When interviewed, Bob Wands, operations administrator here at Boise State, let us know that he has experience in these situations.
Well, you know, I've been involved with the Boise State program for around 30 years, and the weather always seems to be a topic of discussion at Jackson's Mill. We always have a day or two where it's wet and stormy, and that's what we've experienced. We've dealt with flooding here over the years. We've dealt with excessive wind.
When questioned on how this would impact the citizens of Boise State, Wines had a strong response.
Plan and look at times when we can move around safely without interfering with a thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service says there will be more in play later this week.
Now, an issue we would love to discuss is a current epidemic that has long been in our society and in Boise State.
This issue has affected a widespread amount of youth with mental illness or problematic mental behaviors. Here at Boise State, our nurse is well versed on this topic and was willing to share her knowledge and opinions on the matter.
We asked her to comment on the issue and onto why she believes that these issues go untreated.
Bullying. Bullying comes from usually individuals who have some type of behavioral problem. They have some type of internal aggression that hasn't been addressed, and it's important to remember that everyone should have an ability to talk to someone, to be able to confide in someone, to get help when they need help.
All right, and after the primary election results, we have winners. For the Federalists, these are all of them. Governor Ryan Basil, Secretary of State Alexander Alvarez, Auditor Thomas Nixon, Treasurer Atticus Reese, Attorney General Xander Lamp, Commission of Agriculture Colin Street. And for the Nationalists, we have
Governor Will Behrens, Secretary of State Samuel Stoller, Auditor Seth Harris, Treasurer Jarrett Newland, Attorney General Cameron Kearns, and Commissioner of Agriculture Seth Syons.
And for final election results from Supreme Court justices, we have Declan Hall, John Huff, Caden Youngblood, Thomas Giggenbach, and Chase Stewarts. Well, that's all we have today for you citizens. Tune into our next show.
And remember to full send!
2, 1.
Hi, I'm Thomas Nixon. I am running for state auditor. Vote Nixon because he is not a crook.
Hi, I'm Atticus Reese, and I'm running for treasurer. If you want to vote for me, then you're balancing the budget, and you're also balancing the future.
Hi, my name is Colin Treat, and I'm running to be your next Commissioner of Agriculture. Remember, a vote for me will help grow the future of West Virginia by growing rights for farmers, a sustainable livestock, and methods for alternative energy. Remember, a vote for Colin Street for Commissioner of Agriculture will help grow the future of West Virginia.
Hi, my name is Blue Alexander Alvarez, and I'm running to be your Secretary of State. And remember, a vote for Blue is a vote for you.
Hi, my name is Ryan Basil, and I'm running to be the next governor of Boise State. Remember, if you want your state to dazzle, vote Ryan Basil. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Xander Lamp, and I'm running to be your next Attorney General. Remember, vote Xander DeLamp to light up the legal world. Thank you very much, and I hope to have your vote tonight.
This is the pharmacy.
My name is Cameron Kearns, and I want to be your Attorney General. Pharmaceutical companies have been ripping off West Virginians for far too long, and it's time that they stop, along with the corrupt politicians that let them get away with it. I'm Cameron Kearns, and I want to be your next Attorney General.